Yo, what to do, entrepreneurs? Listen, if you create video content of any kind, whether you're a video podcaster, whether you do tutorial videos, training videos, lifestyle videos, vlogs, anything that you're doing to especially grow your business with video marketing, and you're not using AI to cut those long form videos into shorter reels, TikToks, and YouTube shorts, then you are slipping on your pimping, my friend. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I use Vidyo.ai to take my long form YouTube training videos that I do daily and cut them up into 60-second or less YouTube shorts, TikToks, and reels. And within the platform, I can even schedule those to post and go out to all of the different social platforms that I am on. So if you are here to learn how to work smarter, not harder, you're in the right place at the right time as a video marketer. So do me a favor, comment in the chat where you're from, drop the name of your business and on your brand, smash that subscribe button, and let's kick it. All right, really quickly, if you do not know me, I'm Cortez Hustle, founder of the Entrepreneur Success Academy, a free community of entrepreneurs just like you. And it's my mission and my ministry to help you create a passive income empire by marrying your gifts, talents, skills, expertise, and experiences with the right AI, automation, systems, and tools. And if you don't know my training and teaching style, I'm going to share with you a combination of practical steps that you can take. I'm going to do some screen share. And as always, I'm going to be incorporating some ways that you can use some of these skills to make some money, just in case you don't already have a business of your own. So let's just hop right into screen share really quickly. If you're not familiar with the tool, Vidyo.ai, it is a AI-powered video editing software where all you have to do is upload a long-form video or grab the link from one of your YouTube videos, and they're adding all kinds of other sources where you can just grab the link and hit get clips, and it will literally take that video, cut it into a bunch of smaller pieces, add dope captions to it, and a whole heap of other stuff. Did I just say heap? Right? So I'm going to show you a quick overview. Stay tuned to the channel. Definitely subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a more in-depth step-by-step training on each one of these features and how they can benefit you in your own business, but also how you can use them to build a business around them for doing this for other people. So you can see right here, this is 12% done for the video that I just uploaded. So it's creating clips. But this video right here, it has already created 21 clips from a 41-minute video. So I'm just going to go ahead and look at that one and see what kind of clips it created. And I'm going to show you two main things: how I can schedule and post the clips if I like the way that they turned out. Also, how I can edit and brand the clips using my brand colors and even adding my end screen on the end of the video. So if I go to one of these shorts right here, the first thing you'll notice that it cut 41 minutes into 21 clips. It gives you a score, which is basically a virality score. What are the chances of this clip going viral? And the higher the score, the more likely it is to get a lot of views and potentially go viral. So when I start scrolling through these videos, I've already put out a couple of them. So I'm going to look at this one right here that says authenticity wins every time. That is one of my core values and my core pillars. So I'm first going to click on the video, and it's going to allow me to preview it here. So it's going to bring up a preview, but then once I check out the preview and see if it's speaking what I think it's going to speak based on the title, then I can click here and go into the editor. I can also download it as it is by clicking here. I can go straight to share it to the social media platforms that I want to share it on, and I can review the transcript. So give me a second. I apologize. Whenever I'm doing these live trainings, man, and I don't know, I'm gonna have to hardwire into my Wi-Fi because it all down when I'm doing these. So hopefully you guys are not getting any type of lag or anything like that. If so, I do apologize, but I got to get this done. I got to share this with you because this is just an amazing tool, an amazing piece of software. And if you got super dope, high speed internet, then especially if you got a Wi-Fi connection that is strong, you don't have to worry about it being this slow. This is a connectivity issue. I know I've got 3 sons here and they're all probably streaming on video games right now. So hurting my bandwidth like crazy, but nevertheless, I'm not going to go to the preview. I'm just going to go here and click right into the editor. And I'm going to show you the 3 main pieces that I like to edit to these streams as well. And then even the what you call the progress bar, I like to make sure that that is branded to my colors as well. So the other thing that is super cool about this is they automatically, if I have 2 people on screen or more than 1 person on screen, it has this feature called Magic Cut, which I'm going to do a whole video on that, which takes the video and automatically switches back and forth between the person who's doing the talking. In my case, it's just me, so I don't need Magic Cut to be functioning. So I'm just going to go here and I'm going to delete all the Magic Cuts really quickly. But make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm going to show you exactly how this Magic Cut works on one of my videos where I'm interviewing a guest. So I'm going to do this and turn off that, and boom, I'm going to play it back a little. All right, so I'm satisfied with where it's going in the video. So the first thing I want to do is I want to come over here. Instead of this word being highlighted yellow, I want it to be highlighted with my brand color. So I'm going to put in my brand's hex code. That is 20FF10 for my neon green color. Then I want to go to text effects, and I want this border text, which is black. I want it to be dark blue, which is my brand color, 050A30. And it looks the same, but really it is dark blue. And then the border thickness, I like to bring that down between the 3 and the 4, like so. So now that is done. Then I want to come over here to elements, and I want to change the progress bar, which is this little bar right here. If you look closely, you'll see it's kind of this pale yellow. Well, I want to change the color. And again, I want to go with my 20FF10 color. And that matches this right here. So it's going to change in a second. Then if I want my logo on here, I'm going to pop my logo in, drag that up to the top corner. And right now it's super big. So I just want to bring it down and make it a little bit smaller and just let it float up there like that. And then I'm going to go to the outro. And when I post on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, I have an outro that says comment so that my automated system triggers off that keyword. So boom, I have that done there. The last thing I like to do is I just want to check real quick and see how this video ends, because I like to end it on a high. I learned that from one of my coaches, Brian Bean. So always end on a high. So let me play this back at the end and see what it says. I like that. So boom, that's done. Now I have 2 choices. I can go over here and I can download it, which I'm going to show you the ones that I do download. I'm going to show you that in a second. But here, I'm going to go ahead and publish this. So the first thing I'm going to do is choose where I want it to publish. I don't like to publish vertical videos on LinkedIn, and I like to publish YouTube videos native to YouTube, because sometimes with this platform, it will post a short as a video upload, and video uploads and shorts are 2 different things on YouTube. So I like to post my shorts natively. I'm then going to come down here and I'm going to use AI Assist to create the actual caption for me, because after all, it did download the transcript, so it knows what's in the video. So unlocking authentic connections. Share your personal stories, challenges, and failures to build trust and connect. I like that. And now I'm going to hit schedule. And I know I already have one of these scheduled for tomorrow. So I'm going to push this out to Friday, and I'm going to push it out around 6:15 a.m., which I believe is a good time for my audience because I go live every day at 11 a.m. So I'm going to go 6:15 a.m. I'm going to hit schedule, and boom. I'm going to show you what their scheduler looks like because it will show you all the things that you have scheduled. But before I do that, I'm going to delete my Facebook and Instagram end screen, and I'm going to put my YouTube end screen down here. And then this one I'm going to download so I can upload to YouTube from my phone. So I'm just going to download this to my device. It's going to do what it does. Then we're going to go back, and I'm going to show you the post planner so you can see what that looks like. So now I'm going to come over here and go to planner. And that's going to open up. So you'll see that I had something scheduled for today. This morning that went out. And then I had, come on. Cancel. All right. And then I have these scheduled for tomorrow. And then the one I just scheduled for Friday is here. And then I'm just going to keep doing this and building up my scheduled posts. So every day I know that something is going up on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And then I personally plan out my YouTube planner. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how your favorite influencer is crushing it with shorts and reels, because they might do an interview with someone on their podcast. And I notice a lot of the bigger influencers, they put in their podcast agreements. If you're going to interview me, you have to give me a copy of the interview so that I can use it in my own marketing. And that just makes sense. They take that interview, cut it up into 1,000 little clips, and boom, they just got content for days. Well, with Vidyo.ai, you can do the same thing. I am an affiliate of Vidyo.ai. There's a free trial link in the comments below. If you decide to upgrade, they're going to pay me a little bit of a finding fee for sending you to them, but it's not going to cost you anything extra. And everything that I just showed you, ladies and gentlemen, you can do this for other people and charge them to be their video editor. You put the link to their YouTube video in Vidyo.ai. It turns a 40-minute video into 20 clips. You pick out the best clips and you share that with them for their approval and say, hey, I can continue to do this for you for X amount of dollars per month. And you just have a passive income-based business. You do 15 minutes worth of work to make $200, $300, $400, $500 per month per person that you do this for, and you can build an entire business around it. So if you found this valuable at all, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we're going to continue to share what's beautiful about Vidyo.ai and other softwares like it. Another one that comes to mind, which is Opus Clips. I use that one sparingly. I use Vidyo.ai more. I'll put both links in the comments. You can try a free trial on both of them, and you tell me in the comments which one you like the best. So appreciate you guys for tuning in. Until next time, I want you to get your money up, because you absolutely can do it. But more importantly, you deserve to do it, each and every single one of you. Now hustle up.